This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. Lift the grille panel clip at each side. Then lift the grille upwards and remove it. Remove the 3 Torq screws securing the headlight. Pull the headlight forwards a little, depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the rear of the headlight. Remove the cover from the rear of the headlight. Gently pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Depress the centre of the clip to release it, then fold it down. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector, aligning the locating lugs on the bulb flange with the slots in the reflector socket. Fold up the retaining clip, then press it forwards to engage it with the catch. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the cover to the rear of the headlight. Reconnect the wiring plug. Manoeuvre the headlight into position, then refit the Torq screws and tighten them securely. Refit the front grille panel, ensuring the clips engage securely. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.